Alright, in my last video I talked about picking smart numbers, and I told you we use picking smart numbers when there is no specific amount in the question. Now, not picking smart numbers, this is when you have a specific amount in the question. Like in this question you can see we have 2 hours, so here you cannot use picking smart numbers method. So here all you do is you use a variable to represent your waking hours or what you've been asked to get, and then you solve directly. Okay, so I'm going to be using x to represent my waking hour. So if you spend 1/3 of it, so it's going to be 1/3x plus, now he also spends 1/5, so that's going to be 1/5x, and he spends 3/10, so that's going to be 3/10x, and that's all, plus 2 hours plus 2 equals, now the waking hours is x. So from here we're going to have x/3 plus x/5 plus 3x/10 plus 2 equals x. Next up is to look for this is going to be 2/1, to look for the LCM of the denominators. Now the LCM of 3, 5, 10 and 1 is going to be 30. So if that is the case, 3 into 30 is 10. 10 times x will give you 10x. Now 5 into 30 is 6. 6 times x is going to give 6x. And 10 into 30 is 3. 3 times 3x will give you 9x. And 1 into 30 is 30. 30 times 2, that will give 60. So this is equal to x. So let's simplify the numerator. 10 plus 6 plus 9 is going to give 25x. 25x plus 60 all over 30 equals x. Now let's put over 1 here, and the next step is to cross multiply. So we're going to be having 30 times x equals 1 times 25x plus 60. So from here we're going to be having 30x is equal to 25x plus 60. So we're going to collect like terms. We're going to have 30x minus 25x equals 60. So from here we're going to get 5x is equal to 60, and then we divide by the coefficient of x. So we're going to have 5x/5 equals 60/5. So from here 5 will cancel 5, leaving x, and 5 into 20 will give you 12. So therefore the waking hours is 12 hours. Alright, so like I said again, whenever there is a specific amount in the question, you do not use the picking smart number method like you just saw here, but whenever there is a specific amount you use this direct method. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.